the place where you learn real English for real life.
Hi, everyone. We're so happy you're here with us today. In this episode, we're going to talk about something very important: how to speak English at the hospital.
Yes, this is a situation many people feel nervous about. But don't worry, we will guide you step by step in a simple and clear way.
By the end of this episode, you will know useful words, easy sentences, and how to feel more confident when talking to doctors and nurses.
And if you enjoy learning with us, don't forget to subscribe to StartSpeak English so you never miss a new episode. Part 1. Basic situations at the hospital. Let's start with a simple situation. Imagine you arrive at the hospital. The first person you usually talk to is the receptionist.
Right. The receptionist is the person at the front desk. They help you check in.
Here is a simple sentence you can use. I have an appointment.
Or, if you don't have an appointment, I need to see a doctor.
Let's practice a short dialogue. Hello, how can I help you?
Hello, I have an appointment.
What is your name, please?
My name is Mike Johnson.
Simple and clear. You don't need long sentences.
Yes, short sentences are easier and better, especially when you feel nervous. Part 2. Talking about symptoms.
Now, let's talk about symptoms. Symptoms are how you feel when you are sick.
This is very important. You need to explain your problem clearly.
Here are some common sentences. I feel sick. I have a headache. I have a fever. I have a cough. I feel tired.
Let's try a longer example. Hello, doctor. I don't feel well.
What's the problem?
I have a headache and a fever.
Very good. Notice how simple the sentences are.
You can also say, it hurts here.
And you can point to the place on your body.
Part 3. Understanding the doctor. Now, let's listen to the doctor.
Doctors may ask you questions like, how long have you felt this way? Do you have pain? Are you taking any medicine?
Let's practice.
How long have you had this problem? For 2 days.